Good morning, everybody. It's Eileen Sharon, Live for 5 at 8 o'clock in the morning. I know it was really hard for me to get up and do this today, but that's exactly why we need it. Those times that we feel in turmoil or having a tough time, it's really important to just blow it out and have a great opportunity to work out. So this is the perfect time, no matter which side you voted on. If you're not feeling great about today or you're feeling a little anxious, let's just blow it out. I'm going to put Brian Setzer on. I call this Freestyle Aerobics. So watch what we're going to do. Here we go. 4 steps to the side. Just follow along. So I'm going to teach you steps, and then we're just going to call them out. 2 right, 2 left, single, single. Let's do that again. All right, put a smile on your face. You can't help it with this kind of music. Hot tin roof, Brian Setzer. 2, take it up. Take it down. Single hop. 4. 4. Make it simple. 2 and 2. Just dance around your house. You got control. Bounce forward and back. Front, back, side, front. So this is number 2, step number 2. And I'm just going to call it out once we learn it. Couple more. Oh yeah, my head is spinning. Tap your toe right here. Tap number 3. Tap is number 3. Shake it loose. All right, how about we go back to number 1. 4 steps. Any hands you want. 2 up, 2 down. Single, single. Number 2, jump it up and back. And I change the order. I'm going to change the order. 2 more times. Here's your last one. Number 3, let's do a toe tap. You can shake it back, shake it front, kick it forward. So this is the 4th step. And I'm going to put 2 together. So it's a little pop. Pony back. Kick it up. You can move forward. Pony back. This is number 4. Oh yeah. Brian Setzer, cat on a hot tin roof. Run the top, number 1. Good. 2, 2. 1 and 1. Step number 2. Step number 2. Number 3. Oh, threw it at ya. Kick it. Pony back. I'm going to put that on again. Here we go. All right, wait for me. Ready? We're going to learn a couple more steps. 4. 2 and 2. Singles. Number 2. Now you can change the order of all of these steps. Couple more. I gave you 4 that time. How about tap right here? Kick it up. Pony back. All right, let's really learn how to swing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pat, back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back, back. I'm not going to keep it this slow. And the sloppier you do this, the better. Sloppier, sloppier. Here we go. One more. March it out. This is a march. March, march. Or you can do this kind of march. From the top. 4. Here we go. 4. 2 and 2. Single, single. Jump it. Do it again. Tap that toe. Kick it to the front. Number 4. Jump it. Do that again. Kick it. You could do that in a circle. Pump it. Here we go. Swing. We got one more step to learn. The grand finale. One more. How about a Charleston right here? Step. Bam. Woo. Bam. We're almost done. Remember, we freestyled it today. I didn't even plan this. I'm just having fun, trying to get moving, relax. Woo. Here we go. Pump it back. One more. I hope you go out and make it a wonderful day. Thank you, everybody, for joining me.